sell your vote because you are selling our future. Demand quality services, demand for good policies. Hingin nyo talaga kasi karapatan ninyo yun. Karapatan natin na makatanggap ng tamang serbisyo, ng maayos na serbisyo. And we should demand it from our politicians.